will share this. Share screen is going to be done. Okay, so everyone is able to see this? Students? Okay. So polar form of a complex number. Already in previous day, yesterday's class, I told you about a polar form of a complex number that you can write z equal to r cos theta plus I into r sin theta. That you can write as r into cos theta plus I sin theta. That is, you can, I already gave you picture yesterday. This is the form like this. This is called r. So this is the axis, x-axis. This is x-axis. This one is y-axis. Y-axis, and here you will get theta. So here x equal to, what is x equal to? X equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Now how to find r? R is this. R equal to modulus of z. So if complex number is of this form, z equal to x plus iy, then r value will be automatically root square root of x square plus y square. And theta value is tan inverse of y by x. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇది రావాలి y by imaginary part and by real part. X is called real part of z and y is the imaginary part of z. Now exercise problem is that here convert the complex number root 3 plus I in the polar form. So in the polar form. Now, so what is the problem here? Z equal to root 3 plus I. I want to make this as in this form. Polar form and this should be of this form. R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Finally, it should be in this form. Ela convert cheyali in Z equal to some R value. R into cos theta plus I sin theta. ఈ ఫామ్ లో రావాలి పోలార్ ఫామ్ అంటే ఇచ్చిన కాంప్లెక్స్ నంబర్ ని you have to write, you have to bring this in this form. Okay, so for this
Sir, my voice cut అవుతుంది sir.
Voice is not audible to you? Am I students?
Audible, sir.
Audible. చూడమ్మా నీది ఏమైనా నెట్వర్కింగ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏమైనా ఉందమ్మా. Okay, so given problem is, now let, what is this here? Here x equal to what? Root 3. See, z equal to x plus I way form ante x equal to root 3. Now y you have to take y equal to 1. Ante imaginary part. Ikkada em undi imaginary part? I into em untadi ikkada root 3 plus I into 1. So y value is 1. Now r value you have to find. R value, this formula, r equal to root of x square plus y square. So root of root 3 whole square plus 1 square. So r equal to root 3 square. Root 3 square and em vastundi manaki 3. So 3 plus 1, you will get root of 4. So square root of 4 is what? R equal to 2.
2.
Okay. So next one, you need to find value. Manaki em kavali next value? Theta you have to find. So theta equal to, what is the formula I told you? Theta equal to tan inverse of y by x. What is y here?
Y by x.
Y by x. Y value is what? 1. 1 by x. 1 by root 3. So theta equal to tan inverse of 1 by root 3.
Root 3.
Root 3. So when you will get 1 by root 3 in terms of table, here you will get theta equal to, so theta equal to, ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది మనకి 1 by root 3? Tan inverse of, you can write this as tan inverse of tan. So tan ఏ యాంగిల్ లో 1 by root 3 అవుతుంది మనకి? It will be tan 30 degrees. So మీరు టేబుల్ లో ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ టేబుల్ లో ఉంటుంది యాంగిల్స్. So tan 30. Now this tan inverse, tan will cancel. So you will get theta equal to 30 degrees. Theta is 30 degrees. Now in terms of pi, you can write this as 180 by ఏం రాస్తాం? 180 by 180 degrees by 6. You can divide 180 degrees by 6. You will get ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి? 30 degrees. Okay, so what is 180 in terms of pi? I told you 180 is nothing but, you can write this as pi by 6. 180 is nothing but pi by 6. See here, you can write theta value as pi by 6. Theta value pi by 6 rasam ikkada. So you can write root 3 plus I equal to r into cos theta plus I into r sin theta. So what is r value? R value is 2 here. So 2. R equal to 2 cos theta value is pi by 6 plus I into sine of pi by 6. So finally
Pi by
manaki take 2 common here from these two terms. So 2 of cos pi by 6 plus I sine pi by 6. Okay. So finally one can therefore the required for polar form is 2 into cos pi by 6 plus I sine into pi by 6. అర్థమైందా అందరికీ? Understood everyone?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
Now,
sir.
so that is how you need to find the ఒక మనకి ఇలా ఈ ఫార్ములా ఇస్తే you need to bring in polar form. Next one is how to find the distance between two complex numbers. ఒక two complex numbers ఉంటే వాటి యొక్క distance ఎలా కనుక్కుంటాం? That is if z1 equal to a plus ib, z2 equal to c plus id. ఒక two complex numbers ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, అంటే ఎలా ఉన్నాయి complex numbers? Here it is, that is ఇక్కడ z1 ఉంది అంటే a, this is z1. This is z1, here it is z2. z2. So z1 ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ? z1 equal to a plus ib అంటే కోఆర్డినేట్స్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? a కామా b అంటే a అన్నది రియల్
B.
పార్ట్, b అన్నది ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్. హియర్ z2 is c plus id అంటే
C
c
plus
is the real
id.
part, d is the imaginary part.
Imaginary
The
part.
ఓకే, ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఆల్రెడీ 10th క్లాస్ చదివి ఉంటారు మీరు. డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ 2 పాయింట్స్ అంటే ఫార్ములా ఏంటి?
Yes, sir.
ఫార్ములా x1 minus
Root b minus
Root-
c whole square plus b minus d whole square.
x1 minus అంటే 2 పాయింట్స్ అనుకో, నీకు ఇది x1 y1 అనుకో సపోజ్. here it is x1 y1.
అంటే x1 x2 whole square plus
సో x1 minus
X3
x2 whole square plus
Whole
వస్తుంది plus y minus y1
Yes.
minus y2
Yes.
whole square.
y2 whole square.
Okay, so in this way here x1 is value what? x1 is a I have written c square root z1 z2. You can write this as distance అంటే ఎలా రాయాలి? z1 into z2. z1 z2 equal to root of x1 అంటే a
Of
minus
A.
x2 అంటే c.
c
అంటే ఇది x1, a is x1, c is x2. అలాగే హియర్ రియల్ పార్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? b అంటే y1, this is y2. సో రూట్ ఆఫ్ a minus c whole square plus b minus d whole square. అర్థమైంది ఫార్ములా ఎలా వచ్చిందో? సో this is how you need to find the distance between two complex numbers. Now example is here. Find the distance between complex numbers 2 plus i and 3 minus 2i. Okay. So z1 equal to ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 2 plus i, z2 equal to 3 minus 2i. You need to find the distance between these 2 points. అంటే ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? ఫస్ట్ వన్, this is a. Okay, this one is a. This one is
A.
c.
b
I ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? I is b. సో దీని పాయింట్స్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? This is 2 comma. You can write this as 2 comma. I అంటే ఏంటి? What is I? ఇక్కడ I ముందు ఏముంటది మనకి ఇమేజినరీ పార్ట్? 2 comma 1. Here in this second one, second complex number ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 3 comma
3,
ఏమొస్తుంది
2.
ఇక్కడ? 3 comma
Minus 2.
minus
Minus
2.
2.
Minus 2.
3 comma minus 2. So this is a comma b, this is c comma d. Okay, now apply this formula here. Now z1 z2 equal to square root of, see, apply this a minus c. This is what? This is a b
a minus
a b c d. So apply the formula.
CD.
Say square root of a minus c. A minus c is what? Or you can write 2 minus 3 or 3 minus 2. Okay. Because square లో ఉంది కాబట్టి అది మైనస్ వచ్చినా మనకి ఏమవుద్ది? పాజిటివ్ అయిపోద్ది. సో హియర్ ఐ రిటన్ ఆపోజిట్, దట్ ఈస్ సి మైనస్ ఏ హోల్ స్క్వేర్. సో మీరు ఏ మైనస్ సి అన్న రైట్. ఓకే, సో 3 minus 2 whole square plus here I written d minus 2. This one d minus b, d minus b, c minus a. Okay, what I have written? Square root of c minus a whole square plus, so a minus c whole square and right లేకపోతే or c minus c whole square ఏదైనా రైట్ into square root of d minus b whole
d
square.
minus
Okay,
square.
so 3 minus 2 whole square అంటే వచ్చింది మనకి got 3 లో 2 తీసేస్తే ఎంత? -1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 1 అంటే -3 whole square
Plus-
equal to, so square root of what is -1 whole square plus 1 plus -3 whole square is 9. So square root of 10. This is the answer, final answer. అర్థమైందా అందరికీ? All of you understood? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Okay,
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
right. So next one, go to the next topic, argon diagram. Argon diagram అంటే ఇక్కడ every complex number a plus ib can be considered as an ordered pair a comma b of real numbers. We can represent such number by a point in xy plane. అంటే xy plane లో రాస్తారు. అంటే xy plane అంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది. This is x axis and this is y axis. This is a plane. So here you can represent complex numbers. So z1, this one z2, likewise. Okay, it's called the complex plane, and such representation is also known as argon diagram antam. Ante it can be in terms of square avachchu, ledante it can be rhombus. We'll explain later. So how to find the condition for square?
Sir,
Cheppali. Any doubt?
పైన -1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అలాగ వచ్చింది సార్, మైనస్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది సార్?
అవును, రైట్, గుడ్ పాయింట్. సో -1 అన్నది మనం తప్పు రాసాం. We will rectify this. So 3 నుంచి 2 తీసేస్తే ఎంత? Only 1.
1 square.
Okay, now it is okay. 1 square is 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Sir.
So next one, how to condition for square? Condition for square is if a, b, c and d are any 4 complex numbers. అంటే 4 complex numbers అంటే ఎలాగంటే మనకి స్క్వేర్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? Like this. All square అంటే ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ all sides must be equal, right? This is a vertex,
Equal.
this one is b, this one is c, d. Okay, so if a, b, c and d are any 4 complex numbers representing the vertices of a square, then the required condition, first condition enti, all sides must be equal. Ante ab equal to bc, bc equal to cd, cd equal to
CD.
da. This is the first condition. Ante ab, ఈ side equal to this side, all 4 sides must be equal. So ab అంటే ఎలా కనుక్కుంటాం మనం? You need to find the distance between these 2 points. ఇది z1 ఇస్తారు మీకు. This will be given z1. So 1 complex numbers values. This is z2. This one is z3. This one is z4.
Z.
So you need to find z1, z2. Z1, z2 అంటే distance between a and b కనుక్కోవాలి. అలాగే you need to find the distance between z2 and z3, and then distance between z3 and z4. See that you got all equal values. That is, then you can satisfy the first condition. Now what is the second condition? Second condition is AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD and diagonals. Diagonals will be like this. This is AC. This one is BD. This one is BD. So AC must be equal to BD. Okay, అంటే AC అంటే అక్కడ కూడా మనం డిస్టెన్స్ కనుక్కోవాలి. AC డిస్టెన్స్ కనుక్కోవాలి, then BD డిస్టెన్స్ you need to find. Now condition for rhombus. So rhombus లో ఏంటంటే all sides are equal. మనకు rhombus ఎలా ఉంటుంది? It will be like this. This one rhombus. So rhombus diagram will be like this. So here all sides must be equal. Same A, B, C, D. So all sides must be equal. First condition ఏం కావాలి? AB must be equal to BC, BC must be equal to CD, CD must be equal to DA. Can diagonals not equal? This is the diagonal AC and BD. So diagonals must be equal avakoodu. Then you can say that given points represents rhombus. Okay. Next one we'll go for condition for rectangle. So rectangle ఏంటంటే మనకి ఎలా ఉంటుంది rectangle? Rectangle diagram will be like this.
2 sides.
Two sides, opposite sides are equal. అంటే ఇలా
Equal.
A B C D. Okay, so opposite sides must be equal. ఇక్కడ రాసి చూడండి, opposite sides are equal. అంటే AB equal to CD, AB equal to CD, BC equal to DA. అర్థమైందా? So next one is
Yes, sir.
diagonals are equal. Diagonals అంటే AC equal to BD. AC must be equal to BD. Okay. So next one, condition for a parallelogram. So parallelogram లో ఏంటి? సేమ్, అది ఆల్మోస్ట్ రెక్టాంగిల్ లా ఉంటది. almost we have rectangle here. So like this. So diagonals should be not equal. And sides equal avali. And opposite sides must be equal. AB and CD, these diagonals must be unequal. Okay, then you can say that diagonals are not equal. So this condition opposite sides. So manaki rectangle parallelogram avalante enti, first condition is opposite sides must be equal. Second condition is diagonals not equal. Then you can say that the given
not
vertices
equal.
represents a parallelogram. Now we'll go for the example problem. So in an argon diagram, show that the complex points minus I, comma 2 plus I, comma 3I and minus 2 plus I form a square. So square form cheyali. So first draw a figure like this. So square. So here A. This is A, B, C, D. Okay, so A value ఏంటి ఇక్కడ మనకి A first vertex is minus I. So A అంటే minus I. Minus I అంటే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ రియల్ పార్ట్ ఏంటి? This you can write minus I as 0,
-1.
0, minus I ఇలా రాస్తాం. Because minus I can be written as 0 minus I. So real part ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? Real part is 0. This is the real part. Okay, this is the imaginary part. So imaginary part ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ? You'll get imaginary part is -1. So A value, A vertex will get 0, 0, comma, ఏం రావాలి? -1, 0, comma,
-1.
Now B vertex. B ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 2 plus I. B is 2 plus I. So 2 plus I అంటే what is the real part here? B is 2. Now imaginary part. Imaginary part ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? I. I before part ఏముంటది ఇక్కడ? 1. So 2, comma, 1. Now C value. Now C is third vertex. Third point ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 3I. So 3I you can write it as again same. You can write this as 0 plus in complex form 0 plus 3I. So real part is 0. Imaginary
0,
part
comma.
ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? What is the imaginary part? 3. 0,
3I.
comma
3.
3. Now next
3.
point is minus 2 plus I. Sorry. Okay, minus 2 plus I. So minus 2 plus I and real part is -2, comma.
2, comma 1.
What is the imaginary part here? 1. 1. Now you need to find the distance between AB. ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? AB కనుక్కోవాలి. So AB. So AB అంటే ఈ రెండు పాయింట్స్. AB అంటే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? These 2 points you have to find the distance. So square root of, so formula I told you, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus
Y1
y2 whole square. So equal to square root of, what is x1 here? This is x1. x1 ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 0. So 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 whole square plus, now y1 value is what? What is y1? y1 is -1. So -1 minus 1. -1 minus 1 whole square. So root -2 whole square plus -2 whole square. So -2 whole square అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? 4 plus 4. So answer is √8. So AB value ఏమొచ్చింది మనకి? √8. మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం పెట్టాలి?
√8.
Square అనుకో. You have to show that this is a square. So AB must be equal to BC. Next you need to find next side ఏంటి? BC కనుక్కోవాలి. Again similar method you need to find BC. So BC అంటే ఏమొస్తాయి మనకి? These 2 points. అంటే ఇది x1. Here it is. This one is x1. Okay, this one is x2.
x2,
ఇది y1. ఇది y2.
y2.
Now 2 minus, so x1 minus x2 అంటే 2 minus ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? 0 whole square. Now y1
0.
plus y1 minus y2 అంటే 1 minus 3 whole square.
1
you get
minus
root-
3 whole square.
Yeah, 2 minus 0 అంటే you'll get 2. So square root of 2 square plus 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 will get -2 whole square. So root 4 plus 4 equal to √8. Okay, BC also you got √8. Now next you need to find CD. అంటే ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఏ రెండు? These 2 now. These 2. CD కనుక్కోవాలి. So CD is 0 minus 0 ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది? 0 plus 2 minus minus will become plus. So 0 plus 2 whole square. So ఏమే పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ C అంటే 0, 3. C value is 0, 3 and D, what is D? D here
minus 2, comma 1.
minus 2 comma minus 1. So 0 0 minus 2. So
Sir,
0 minus 2 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది 0
Minus 1 కదా sir, 1 is
okay plus 1 okay. So 2 comma 1. So 0 minus of minus ఏమవుతుంది 0 plus 2 whole square plus next one 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 whole square. So 0 plus 2 అంటే 0 ని 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకు వాల్యూ 2 square
2
plus
2
3
square.
నుంచి 1 తీసేస్తే 2. So you
2
get
square.
root 4 plus 4 is root 8. Understood?
yes sir.
అర్థమైంది అందరికీ? So next one
Yes,
DA.
sir.
So next DA. DA అంటే what is D point here? D is D value ఏంటి మనకి? What is D here? D is minus 2
comma 1
Minus 2, comma 1.
what is A value here?
0,
value
comma
ఏంటి?
minus 1.
0 comma minus 1.
minus 1
Now separate here. Minus 2 minus 0. Root of minus 2 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus 1. అంటే minus minus ఏమవుతుంది? Plus అవుతుంది. So 1 plus
Plus.
1 whole
Plus.
square. So equal to root of minus 2 square plus 1 plus 1 అంటే 2. So minus 2 square is
2.
4 plus 4 root 8. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
from all
Yes,
this
sir.
you can
Yes,
say
sir.
that. So మన condition first condition ఏంటి? You got the first condition. What is the first condition? AB equal to
AB.
BC equal to
equal to
CD equal to DA. So first condition is satisfied. Yeah, next condition ఏంటి? You must see diagonals. ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి మనం? Diagonals అంటే AC and BD. You need to find AC and BD కనుక్కోవాలి.
BD.
So AC. What is AC value? A value. What is A value?
0, comma minus 1.
0 comma minus 1. And then what is C value? C point, C vertex. What is C vertex? 0 comma 0 comma
0, comma minus 3.
2
0 comma minus 2.
2
Okay.
3.
minus
0 comma minus 2 or minus 3 C value.
minus 0 comma 2 sir.
3 sir.
Okay, I will see. So C ఏముంది మనకి ఇక్కడ? C is 0 comma 3, right? So
Plus
C value
3.
is 0
Plus
comma
3.
3. So again I have to write again. So D value is, what is D value here? D value is, what is D? What is D? మళ్ళీ చూడాలా పైన? Okay.
2, comma
So
minus 1.
minus 2 comma 1. D value, okay. AC, we need to find AC, right? AC value is 0 comma minus 1. So 0 comma minus 1 and 0 comma 3. Good పెట్టుకోండి. 0 comma AC value, A value is
0,
0,
comma
comma
minus
0,
1.
comma
0 comma
0 minus 1
minus 1 and C value is what is C
0,
value? 0 comma
0, comma 3.
Minus
0, comma 3.
0
comma 3.
Okay, so AC you have to find. So 0 minus 0 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. So you will get root of 0 minus 0 is 0 plus minus 1 minus 3 same side ఉంది కాబట్టి you have to add minus 4. So you get minus 4 square. So finally వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ root 16. Root 16 అంటే it is nothing but 4 square. So 4 square root cancel అయిపోయి you will get 4, right?
4
So next you need to find
Yes, sir.
BD value. So what is BD here? BD ఏంటి? What is B value? B is 2 comma 1
2 comma
2, comma 1.
and
2
D
comma
value
1
minus
minus
2
2.
comma
2 comma
Minus 2, comma 1.
right. So B value is 2 comma 1. So B value is
minus 2 comma 1
B value is 2 comma 1.
2, comma 1.
D value
Minus 2, comma 1.
Minus 2, comma 1.
minus 2 comma 1. Now find the distance between these 2 points BD. So root 2 minus half minus you'll get root of 2 plus 2 whole square, then plus 1 minus 1 whole square. So you'll get root of 2 plus 2 is 4 square, plus 1 minus 1 is 0 square, right? So finally manaki root 16 equal to 4.
Four.
So compare cheyandi AC and BD. So from these 2 points you can say that AC equal to BD, right? AC equal to BD. So second condition is also satisfied. Therefore, the given complex numbers form a, and you can say that form a square.
Square.
Okay. So next we'll go to the next problem. Prove that, similar problem, prove that the points representing the complex numbers 2 minus 2i, next one 8 plus 4i, comma 5 plus 7i, and minus 1 plus I form a rectangle. So rectangle condition enti ikkada. What is the rectangle condition? You need to say opposite sides are
Opposite sides are equal.
Opposite sides are equal.
so diagonals are also
Diagonals are equal.
So AB,
Equal.
CD, right? So diagonals must be equal. So what is A here? A point is 2 minus 2i. So real part is 2, comma, imaginary part is minus 2. So this is A. Next one, you need to find B value. What is B here? B is 8 plus 4i. So that is
8 plus 4i.
yeah, real part is 8, imaginary part
8
is
comma
4. So 8 comma 4. So this equal, you can write this is equal to same formula, root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square equal to root of, now x1 ante enti ikkada A value is, what is A value? A value is 2 comma
2 comma minus 1.
minus 2. Then B value, B value is
8 comma 4.
8 comma
Comma
4.
4.
8 comma 4. Now subtract this, 2 minus 8. So root of 2 minus 8 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. So you'll get root of, so 2 lunch minus 8 the enta manaki you will get minus 6, because minus 8 is a large number. So minus 6 you will get, plus minus 2 minus 4
Yes,
whole
sir.
square is again minus 6 whole square.
Minus 6.
So root of 36 plus 36, you will get root 72. So next
72.
yeah. So next one, you need to find BC. So what is B here? What is B? B equal to
8 comma 4.
8 comma
8
4.
comma 4.
Comma
4.
Comma
Then C
4.
equal to 5 comma.
5 comma 7.
So same way, you need to subtract like this. You will get root 18. BC value em vachindi manaki root
Root 18.
8.
18. So అలాగే మనకి CD వస్తుంది. CD value root 72. So DA value root 18. So మనకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుంది? You can say that ఈ రెండు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? AB equal to CD and BC equal to DA. అంటే ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ is
DA.
satisfied. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, now
Equal.
what you have to
Equal.
check? You have to check diagonals. AC value. AC కూడా కనుక్కోవాలి. So AC value వచ్చింది మనకి root 90 and then BD. So diagonals కూడా మనకి equal. So AC
Equal.
equal to BD. So therefore the given complex numbers form a rectangle. అర్థమైందా అందరికీ? Is there anyone doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts
Yes,
here?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
So
sir.
with this I am going to end this session. So all of you post your attendance in Google Classroom. Understood everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
కొంతమంది రావట్లేదు, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ చెప్పండి, వాళ్ళు వీడియో సెషన్ లో రావట్లేదు. దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ పుట్టింగ్ అగైన్ రికార్డ్ సెషన్. ఓకే,
Yes, sir. Okay,
వన్ మోర్ థింగ్. సో అగైన్ హోంవర్క్ సొల్యూషన్ చేస్తా ఉండండి, ట్రై చేస్తా ఉండండి.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే,
sir.
సో ఈ రోజు సెషన్ మీద ఎనీ
Okay,
డౌట్స్?
sir.
టుడే సెషన్ లో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
No, sir.
No
No,
doubt.
sir.
Doubts?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir.